to All About. Today we're going to take a look at B69, which is from the blue family, but I feel it has a little bit of the violet vibe. So the bonus combination is going to go towards a little bit more of the violet. I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we carry Copic Markers in the sketch series, nib replacements, and ink refills. We also have open stock Prismacolor pencils. Thank you. We're going to start with B69. I'm going to build a fence, and then I'm going to be flicking away from this fence. On top of it, covering it completely, is going to be B66. At the end, we're going to use B63. This is a very light blue, so I make sure that I go very slow so I can deposit more ink and the blend starts happening. The underpainting is going to be done with N6. So I built the fence and flicked away from it. Now it's going to be B69. Notice how B69 has to cover all of the N6 because N6 is the one to underpaint B69, not B66. And if we don't cover it all from the beginning, then you're going to be able to see N6 under B66. So this is the same combination, B69, B66, and then B63. This is the bonus combination, and we're going to underpaint it with N6. And then on top of it is going to be B69, BV17, and BV13. This is going to give it a purplish look. Just because you're using a B, which is a blue, does not mean that you cannot make other colors. The paper that I use in the whole series is Curious Metallic Iridescent Cryogen White. This paper will be a favorite, especially for the card makers, because it's not plastic shiny. It is more on the elegant iridescent color. Staining test. It is very dark, the B69, and it is transferring to my colorless blender, as you can see it right there on the left. Now for the Prismacolor pencil match, I found, ultramarine, PC902. This is giving a more of a cool kind of blue combination. And this is PC933, blue violet. It's a warmer blue. I like both. I would go with the PC933, blue violet. This is the natural family combination and is not going to be underpainted. This is B69, B66, and B63. This is underpainted with N6, the same combination, B69, B66, and B63. Underpainting is going to desaturate the color. This is the bonus combination, which is B69, BV17 on top of it, and then BV13. It blends beautifully. I like this combination better. Which one is your favorite? This is underpainted, N6, B69, BV17, and BV13. There is a free download for the template that I use for every single one of the series. You can go download it and then color with me. If you post your swatches on social media, tag us so I can see it. Now, our natural family combination is B69, B66, and B63. And the second row is going to be underpainted with N6. On the bonus combination, we use B69, BV17, and BV13. Underneath, underpainting is N6. By the time I'm recording this video, we already have 8 others with RV19, E37, G09. We have a lot of them now. Go watch them, Leave us a comment. Let me know what else would you like to see on these videos. We still have a lot of markers to go through. For more combinations, you can go to Vanilla Arts Undercover. The link is going to be in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you. See you next week.